Kelsey, salute.
What?
It's live.
What am I saying?
I don't really know. The news, lady. Oh, I don't know this stuff. I thought you were an anchor person.
News to me.
I guess she doesn't know. What about the werewolf that's running? Oh wait, no, I wasn't supposed to say that.
Why do you do that? It's not even...
Okay, well, I'll say the news. Let's go. There's a basketball hoop over there. And Kelsey, here's the news.
Well, you know what I gotta say? Yo, this dragon is ridiculous. This dragon is ridiculous.
That's ridiculous. Hurry, he's coming back.
I think it's over. I think it should be over.
Okay. Sorry.